Welcome to the Themes, Apps, and Store Customization lesson of your Shopify Fundamentals course. In this lesson, we will explore how themes can affect the overall experience of your customers, how apps can help your business grow, as well as tips and tricks for customizations that you can make for your store. By the end of this lesson, you will have a better understanding of how to customize your Shopify store. Themes in the Shopify theme store are built using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the templating language Liquid. They all have different functionalities and design elements to accommodate businesses from varying industries, catalog sizes, and complexity. Theme templates affect the layout of many, if not all, pages of your Shopify store, including the main elements of your conversion funnel, the homepage, the collections page, and the product page. When deciding how to choose a theme, you have three choices: purchase and install a theme for your Shopify theme store, edit or customize an existing theme, or build your own theme from scratch, or hire someone that can, if possible. The Shopify theme store offers free themes created by Shopify and paid themes developed and supported by third-party designers. You can browse themes by collection or filter to narrow down your search by feature. After having built thousands of e-commerce stores, I urge you to explore theme demos to find features that match your needs. Here are some questions to think about. Do you sell a large product like a bicycle that has a high shipping cost? You could recommend a theme that has a shipping rate calculator on the cart page. Does your product variant colors include patterns? There are themes that come with the ability to show swatches on the product page. Do you have a large catalog? You might want to consider a theme that has a mega menu for easy categorization. Many of my clients will ask me what theme they should get. Now remember that there are lots of places online where you can find themes, including websites like themeforest.com. The reason why we usually recommend going with a theme from the Shopify theme store is because all of those themes have been vetted and approved by Shopify as being compliant with their best practices. A well-built and robust theme will go a long way and allow you to well optimize your store for future growth as well. Test out features by adding them to your store anytime before purchasing. Just keep in mind that themes sold outside of the Shopify theme store aren't reviewed or tested by Shopify. You can do a number of things in the theme editor, like customize the visual elements of your homepage and configure important pages, as well as preview the store so you can see changes in real time. In the Theme Settings tab, you will also be able to customize things like the content, the color schemes, the typography, the social media icons, and your checkout style. The Theme Actions dropdown gives you quick access to the edit code and language editor admin pages. Now let's talk about apps. Apps are an extension of Shopify's core product. They're synonymous with plugins, modules, or add-ons on other platforms. Apps are created by Shopify and app development partners to extend the core functionality of the platform and meet specific merchant needs like product sourcing, sales and marketing, shipping, and many more. Apps can be added from the Shopify App Store at any time. I would recommend making sure that the features you're looking for don't already exist as one of Shopify's core features. You can also consider whether the app will save you or your client time and how it will make the management of the store more efficient. When looking at apps and their features, some of the key considerations to have are, for example, cost. Is the app free or paid? Are there ongoing recurring costs? Desired functionality, or whether it's available as a core product in the App Store or needs to be custom built. And its purpose and reliability, things like ratings, compatibility, and experience with the app developers. One thing to note here is that only the account owner can add apps to the live store. There are three main categories of apps: published apps, custom apps, and private apps. Published apps available on the Shopify App Store serve multiple shops and users. They are rigorously reviewed by Shopify to ensure they meet certain service level expectations. Now keep in mind that public apps are built and managed by third parties. This means that every time your store will need to load an app, like a currency converter or a custom announcement bar, you run the risk of slowing down your store since there are more API calls to external servers that need to be processed by the store. The more apps you have, the slower your store is going to get over time. So be thoughtful about using apps when necessary without going overboard. Slow speed times can reduce the conversion rates and affect your customers' purchase journeys. You can always try to find themes that already have a lot of these features embedded and only use apps when absolutely necessary. Now, a slow load speed can kill your conversion rate, so building a robust e-commerce experience on Shopify is the art of balancing all of these factors. On the other hand, created at the store level, private apps empower you to create backend operations or custom storefronts using Shopify's APIs. However, unlike public apps, these cannot be used to create interfaces or add features to the Shopify admin. There are many different cases for developing an app. Developing public apps on Shopify can be really lucrative as many stores will need these features and you can charge them on a recurring monthly basis. You may choose to have an app developed for Shopify's App Store to earn revenue, or you can develop your own custom or private apps for those of your store or your customers. Next, we're going to review setting up your blog posts, navigations, and pages, so let's move forward.